In this video, we're going to walk through how to add your tax to your rentals and invoices if tax is something that you have to do for your state. So really simple, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the payments section right here. And then from here, we're going to go over to settings. And then what you'll notice is there will be this taxes section right here. Now, in order for you to add taxes or your sales or rental tax, whenever you come in to do this, of course, you have to make sure that first you have your payment processor integrated, but as long as you have that done first, then you can come in and you can add your sales tax. So when you come in here, first thing you want to make sure is that this is selected to no. The reason for that is because you want to make sure that this is adding the tax on top of the rental price, not into the cost of the rental price. So make sure that this is set to no. And then from here, you can go ahead and click add tax. You can name your tax. So for example, if it's sales tax or rental tax, whatever it's labeled for your area, then you can put in your tax rate. Let's just say it's 8%. You can add a description. You can add a tax ID number if there is, and add a tax agency as well. Most of the time, these are going to be not needed. You can just put the rate and the sales. Those are the main two things you need. And then you can click add. And then now what you can do is you can come down and you can click enable automatic tax. And then you can choose the locations of which you're renting from. So you can choose the different states, and then you're all set. So then from here, what will happen is now your sales tax can be automatically added as an option. When you're setting up an invoice or sending an invoice, you'll see sales tax as an option to add to your rentals. And then from here, you can also add this to your products. So for example, if you go into your products and let's say you have your trailers set up as products here in the system, you can also come in here to your different products. Let's scroll down here to right here. So this section here, you'll see attach tax rates. And then you can choose which tax rate. Again, you can choose your tax rate to then add to the product. So then now when you're sending invoices and whatnot as well, it will automatically attach that tax rate to it. So this is how you add your taxes and make sure that it's also tied to your products.